Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the motherboard in your ASUS device can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's break it down step by step. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic prying tool. Start by powering off your device and unplugging it. Before opening the case, make sure to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap. This will prevent any static electricity from damaging sensitive components. Next, remove the screws on the back panel of your ASUS device. Typically, there are around 8 to 10 screws securing the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this can damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the existing motherboard. You will see various components connected to it, including the RAM, CPU, and power supply cables. Begin by disconnecting these components. First, carefully remove the RAM sticks by pushing the clips on either side. Then, unscrew the CPU cooler and lift it off. Make sure to clean any old thermal paste from the CPU using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Next, disconnect the power supply cables connected to the motherboard. Take note of their positions so you can easily reconnect them later. If you're unsure or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, unscrew the motherboard from the chassis. There are usually several screws securing it in place, often around the perimeter of the board. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard out of the case. Be careful with any attached cables to avoid ripping them off. Before installing the new ASUS motherboard, take a moment to clean the inside of your device. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. A clean environment helps maintain optimal performance. Now, it's time to install the new motherboard. Place it carefully into the chassis, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it using the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the power supply cables, ensuring each one is in the right position. If you need assistance, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy for you to get help without the hassle of calls or travel. Next, reinsert the RAM sticks into their slots, ensuring they click into place. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and carefully reattach the cooler. Ensure everything is secured properly. Finally, reattach the back panel of your device, securing it with the screws you placed aside earlier. Power on your device to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you will know what to expect without any surprises. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your ASUS motherboard. This process not only improves the performance of your device but also extends its lifespan. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to check out our services for a seamless experience in the future. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.